Dear students, in our previous session we discussed about trigonometric function for submultiple angles and multiples angle and submultiple angles. In that we seen sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Here in terms of tan we are writing. So here x not equal to odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Okay. In the third case, that is cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x, or we can write cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, or also cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, and also in terms of tan we can write cos 2x as 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So here, and also you found the two formulas here. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, or 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Similarly, cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, or we can say 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So this is related cos function. Here tan square x, okay, tan x is not defined when x is the odd integral multiple of pi by 2. So here x not equal to odd integral multiple of pi by 2. So in the third case, that is tan 2x. Tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. Here tan function is not defined when 2x is not equal, tan x is not defined when 2x is equal to odd integral multiple of pi by 2. So here 2x should not be equal to odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Okay, this is a condition for this case here, tan 2x. Okay, so the angle I am taking here 2x. So this we learnt in our previous class. Now we are going to study about the trigonometric function for the multiple angles 3x. Okay, see, trigonometric function of multiple angle 3x. Okay, 3x is the multiple angle. In that case, how will get trigonometric function? Very important result here we'll get. Okay, see, the first case sin 3x trigonometry. Okay, the ratio sin. So sin 3x, what is the value of that? Okay, how to find? See, this can be splitted as sin 2x plus x. Sin 2x plus x can be written by using the formula sin x plus y is equal to sin x into sin y plus cos x into cos y. So here we can write this one as sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. Okay, sin x. Now we can observe sin 2x can be written in the form 2 sin x into cos x. So I'll replace here 2 sin x into cos x as sin 2x value as 2 sin x into cos x. Into cos x we have plus cos 2x, I'll write in terms of sin, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x, where here cos 2x is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. Into sin x. So now this has become 2 sin x into cos x into cos x is nothing but cos square x, and plus 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. So here multiply each terms with the sin x. So 1 into sin x is sin x, minus 2 sin square x into sin x is minus 2 sin cube x. Sin square into sin, that is sin cube x. So now again you have here the sin x 2 sin x into cos square x. Cos square x is nothing but, here we know one identity, trigonometry identity, that is cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Okay, using this identity we can write cos square x as 1 minus sin square x, right? So replace here cos square x as 1 minus sin square x plus the remaining term as it is, that is sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Write properly. Okay, see properly here. Now again you have here 1 minus sin square x, two terms multiplying with the 2 sin x. So multiply each terms with the 2 sin x. So 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x. 2 sin x into minus sin square x, that is minus 2 sin cube x. Okay, and plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So now collect the terms which containing same power. Okay, so here 2 sin x plus sin x, we can add them. So we'll get 3 sin x because sin whose power is same will get. So we can add them. 2 sin x plus sin x is 3 sin x. Minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x. So minus 4 sin cube x. Minus 4 sin cube x. So you got the result that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. They'll ask in exam for 2 or 3 marks to prove this one. Okay, they'll ask prove that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, very important result. See here, first we have to consider here the LHS left hand side, that is sin 3x, and you have to split sin 3x as sin 2x plus x. Then you should use the formula sin x plus y, that is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x we will get. Now we know sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x into cos x. So 2 sin x into cos x into cos x plus cos 2x we can write as in terms of sin as 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. Okay, here see here we are writing all the terms in terms of sin. In this step we will get all the terms in terms of sin. Okay, so here the next step is what? Cos into cos is cos square x will get. Cos square x we can write by using the trigonometric identity. Cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sin square x. Okay, plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now multiply each terms, we will get all terms in terms of sin. Okay, so we are keeping sin 3x in terms of sin only here. So sin 3x is nothing but 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So again practice this. Okay, very important result. Okay, so what is the result we got? That I'll write here. That is sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 4 sin cube x. This is the result. Now next, find the value of cos 3x. Okay, cos 3x. Now same way here also, first we need to split the multiple angle 3x as 2x plus x. Remember this, how to split 2x plus x. Okay, now cos 2x plus x, this is in the form cos x plus y. We know cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So here what we'll get? Cos 2x into cos x minus sin 2x into sin x. Okay, so now replace here, we are keeping all terms in terms of cos. Okay, so cos 2x value I'll take in terms of cos what you have, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. So replace cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x outside minus sin 2x. Sin 2x use the formula 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, into sin x we have. Okay, now this is nothing but multiply here 2 cos square x minus 1 with the cos x. So 2 cos square x into cos x is 2 cos cube x. Minus 1 into cos x is nothing but minus cos x. Minus 2 sin x into sin x, that is sin square x into cos x Okay, so these three terms we have in terms of cos, and again here sin square you have that we can write by using the identity sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x is nothing but what we'll get by using this identity, we'll get sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, replacing here. So what we'll get, see, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 into sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x. We replaced here sin square x as 1 minus cos square x into cos x. Okay, now we can observe all the terms we have in terms of cos. Means we are keeping cos function in terms of cos only. So 2 cos cube x minus cos x. Okay, now we can observe here this term multiply with the cos, means 2 into 1 minus cos square x multiplying with cos x. So what we'll get, see, first multiply this 1 with the 2 cos x. So 2 cos x into 1 is nothing but 2 cos x. Okay, sign is minus, cos here plus you have, but here you have minus, minus into minus plus, minus cos square x into minus 2 cos x, that is plus 2 cos cube x. Okay, plus 2 cos cube x. Now here next we have to write the like terms together. The term which contain the power same, that you have to write together. So 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x, that is nothing but 4 cos cube x. 4 cos cube x. Similarly, minus cos x minus 2 cos x minus 3 cos x. So this is the result of cos 3x, very important. Okay, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, very useful result. Okay, the first one is what? Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Similarly, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, see again the step here. First we have to split the multiple angle 3x as 2x plus x, and then here use a formula cos x plus y or cos a plus b. Okay, then what will get, cos x into cos y means cos 2x into cos x minus sin x into sin y means sin 2x into sin x. Now replacing, okay, cos 2x in terms of cos only, so 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x formula, we have 2 sin x into cos x, so replace that and sin x as it is into sin x. Now multiply these two terms with cos x, we will get 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin x into sin x sin square x into cos x. Now replace here sin square x in terms of cos. Okay, so we'll get 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so all the terms we replace in terms of cos. Now multiply each, all the terms multiply and make, okay, here the keep the term containing a same power together. Okay, then we'll get 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is the result. And this is very important. They will ask for 3 marks such question, and this is the result is also very important to solve the problems related any competitive exam. Okay, of your competitive exam like JEE, KCET. Okay, this is very important result of trigonometric function. Okay, see, that is what cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, very important result. Similarly, next we will find tan 3x value. Okay, tan 3x value. Okay, see how it is defined. Again, split tan 3x as tan 2x plus x 2x plus x. Now here tan, here we should remember we are keeping the result in terms of tan only. Okay, so here tan a plus b formula you should use, or tan x plus y. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Okay, so tan 2x into tan x plus tan y means tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y means tan 2x into tan x. Okay, now you can observe here in the numerator you have tan 2x. Okay, what is the value of tan 2x? That is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so replace tan 2x as 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus, again replace tan 2x as 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So here tan 2x place will get here, that is nothing but 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, tan square x into tan x outside, which is multiplying. Okay, now in the next step here in the numerator and denominator we have to take the LCMs. Okay, so here 1 minus tan square x is to multiply with the tan x whole divided by 1 minus tan square x will get. Similarly 1 minus tan square x here in the denominator should multiply with 1 and whole divided by 1 minus tan square x will get. Okay, so here 2 tan x, okay, do the steps that 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 minus tan square x. So tan x into 1 is what? Tan x. Tan x into minus tan square x, that is minus tan cube x. Similarly in the denominator, okay, whole divided by what will get? 1 minus tan square x. Similarly in the denominator multiply here 1 minus tan square x with the 1. Okay, because this is one term, this is another term. So here there is no denominator 1 minus tan square x. So we have to make common denominator, means you should multiply here 1 minus tan square x to 1. 1 into 1 minus tan square x, that is nothing but 1 minus tan square x. Okay, similarly minus 2 tan x into tan x is nothing but 2 tan square x whole divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. Okay, now see here we can observe 1 minus tan square x is the denominator in the numerator and also in denominator. So now these to get cancelled, and in the numerator what it remains, see 2 tan x plus tan x, we can add them, what will get? 3 tan x will get. 2 tan x plus tan x is nothing but 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus tan square x minus, okay, minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. So here since both are minus, we can add the term numbers here, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, so 3 tan square x minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x is nothing but minus 3 tan square x. So this is the result you got. Okay, this is the value of tan 3x. Okay, here you should remember all the terms we should keep in terms of tan. Okay, so in cos 3x we got 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Sin 3x is nothing but 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Tan 3x is nothing but 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so remember the steps here. What is the step we have? Okay, so tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, 1 minus 3 tan square x. So these are the results of your trigonometric function of multiple angle 2x and 3x. Okay, 2x and 3x. Now next we'll see trigonometric function of submultiple angle. Okay, submultiple angle. So as I said here, we are taking x by 2 only. X by 2. X is the angle divided by 2. This is nothing but half angle. Okay, half angle. So here we'll see what are the trigonometric function of half angles we will get. By using same result, we are replacing, okay, here to get x by 2. If you replace here, okay, to get here x by 2, x is the place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x by 2 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2x is the place ನಾವು ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ by using first result, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, here we can take angle capital letter A also, no problem. Okay, if you take A, then okay, if you take 2x is equal to capital letter A, then x is nothing but a by 2. X is nothing but a by 2. So we'll get here the result as sin A is nothing but 2 sin x, that is nothing but a by 2 into cos a by 2. Okay, sin A is equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2, or we can say sin x. Sin x is nothing but 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. No problem. Okay, sin x is equal to, okay, sin 2x is nothing but what? 2 sin x into cos x. But sin x is nothing but 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, very important, using the first result. Similarly here also we can replace sin 2x. Okay, so there what we'll get, see, we know sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now replace okay, 2x as x. Okay, a by 2 by x by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ. Okay, so here if you replace 2x as x, then x is replaced by x by 2. Okay, replace x by 2. Okay, so what we'll get here, sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, so here what is the result you got? Sin x can be written as 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, using this result. And now using the result of cos 2x. Okay, we know cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, now replace 2x by x. Okay, 2x by x. Then x is replaced by x by 2. Okay, so 2x if you replace as x, then x is replaced as x by 2 will get. So you can write cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, so same result, using that we can write cos x also in terms of half angle, that is cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, now the next result we have cos 2x, we can write as cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. And this we can write cos 2x as cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, 1 minus sin square x we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x, we can write as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. And also we can write the last, that is cos in terms of tan. Okay, we can write here we have cos in terms of tan. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. That can be replaced as cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. These are obtained by replacing 2x as x or x as x by 2. Okay, x as x by 2. Similarly, here also we'll get tan x value. Okay, see, by replacing 2x as x, then we'll get, okay, by replacing 2x as x, then x is replaced as x by 2. So tan 2x is replaced as tan x. This is equal to 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square x by 2 will get. Okay, remember, see, here x is not odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Okay, here x by 2 is not odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Okay, here x by 2 is not odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Okay, similarly here also we can replace, okay, here in the place of sin square x. Okay, sin square x is equal to what we have, see this result. Okay, now we have sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, or we can write 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2, or this is equal to 2 sin square x. Okay, 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Now using the second result, I replace 2x as x, then x is replaced by x by 2 will get. So what will get here, 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, or we can say here sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x divided by 2. Sin square x by 2 is equal to, okay, sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. Similarly here also we'll get, see the next result, I'll write here. Okay, so here what we'll get, see, cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 we have. Okay, see that we can replace x as x by 2, then we'll get cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x divided by 2, whole divided by 2. These are what trigonometric function of half angle. Okay, or by using this we can say 1 plus cos x. Okay, replacing 2x as x, 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, or here cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is equal to 1. Cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, so these are what the trigonometric function of half angle. Okay, by replacing 2x as x we'll get here trigonometric function of half angle. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now we'll going to learn about transformation formula. Okay, there we'll study how to transform trigonometric function of the product into sum or difference, or sum into product. Okay, see, that is transformation formula. Very important. Okay, see, here we use the concept of the compound angles that we studied of trigonometric function, that cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Similarly, cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, and sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x into sin y, and sin x minus y is equal to sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, so consider this is equation number 1. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now these 4 formulas already you studied in trigonometric function of the compound angles, right? So cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now here by using first 2 equations, okay, first 2 equations, now I'll regenerate this equation by adding and subtracting. Okay, so if you add equation number 1 and 2, what it gives? See, equation number 1 plus equation number 2, if you add on both sides, then we'll get here cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, right? See, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus cos x cos y. Cos x cos y plus cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y, it will get cancels. So only this will get, means cos x cos y plus cos x cos y, right? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus cos x cos y, means what? 2 times cos x cos y. Okay, this is the trigonometric function is, okay, here from sum to product, sum of trigonometric function to product of trigonometric function we got. Similarly, by subtracting equation number 1 and 2, equation number 1 minus equation number 2, what we'll get? See here, if we subtract them, we'll get cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to, here sign changes, here also sign changes. So cos x cos y minus cos x cos y get cancels. So this is equal to minus sin x sin y, and this also minus sin x sin y. So minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y will get. Okay, means here we can say cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. If you subtract them, we'll get minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y. Minus if you take common, okay, 2 times we'll get sin x sin y. Okay, minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y, minus 2 times sin x sin y. Okay, so this is a result obtained by adding and subtracting equation number 1 and equation number 2. Similarly, by using equation number 3 and 4, we'll get again 2 equations by adding and subtracting. Okay, so I'll add equation number 1 and equation number 2 and equation number 3. Now add them. Okay, so if you add them, what will get? Sin x plus y, sin x plus y. Okay, sorry, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y will get. Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to, okay, what will get by adding? Okay, see here, this is equal to sin x cos y plus sin x, here also you have sin x cos y, cos x sin y, and here you have, okay, what is the sign? Minus, okay, because sin x minus y formula, that is minus we have. So cos x sin y minus cos x sin y, it will get cancelled. Okay, so we'll get sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y 2 times. So we'll get 2 times sin x cos y. Okay, similarly by subtracting them, what we'll get? See, by subtracting equation number 3 and equation number 4. So 3 minus 4 gives here sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Subtracting them, then the sign changes here, we'll get sin here minus to plus, plus to minus, here also minus, right? Sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus sin x cos y, it cancels. Next, cos x sin y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y plus cos x sin y we got. Means you can say sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to 2 times cos x sin y. 2 times cos x sin y. So I'll erase this because by using this we got new formulas. See here, that is what the first formula, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to 2 cos x cos y. Similarly, cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to minus 2 sin x sin y. Minus 2 sin x sin y. Next you got sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to 2 sin x cos y. And the last one is what? Sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to 2 cos x sin y. So this is, okay, here sum or difference to product anta helidre multiplication, sum, addition, difference, subtraction. So trigonometric function from sum or difference to product. Okay, so this is a transformation formula. Okay, from sum or difference to product, very important here. We can easily remember this. Okay, by one trick we can memorize very easily. See here, I'll consider, see, if you write C means what? Cos. Okay, and S means sin, you can consider. So first equation, what you have here? First equation, cos x plus y, okay, plus cos x minus y. You take here C plus C. C means here cos x plus y, another C means here cos x minus y, and this is equal to 2 cos x into cos y. Okay, C. Remember here, if you are multiplying, then here first angle is x, second angle is y. When you are adding, first angle is x plus y, second angle is x minus y. So cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to 2 cos x cos y. Like this we can easily memorize it. Similarly, the second equation you can observe, cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Cos x plus y. First C and the cos x plus y angle. Here x minus y angle. So since you have a cos function, you take C. If you have sine function, then you take S. Okay. So cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to minus 2 sin x sin y. So SS. Similarly, the third one, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y means here S plus S is equal to 2SC. 2 sin x cos y. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to 2 sin x cos y. Similarly, the last one, S minus S, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to 2 cos x sin y. Okay, ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಈಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ, cos x plus y plus cos x plus x minus y is equal to 2 cos x cos y. Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to minus 2 sin x sin y. Third one, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to 2 sin x cos y. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಾಗ xy, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ x plus y x minus y. Sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to 2 cos x sin y. Okay, again we use here this 4 formula. By using this we can write the product into sum. Okay, product into sum ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀದು ನೋಡಿ, that is here 2 cos x cos y. So that what you will get, cos x cos y. Cos x cos y is equal to half of 2 goes to this side, half of cos x plus y plus cos x minus y will get. Similarly, by using second one, sin x sin y is equal to minus half, because you have minus 2, it goes that side, will get minus half of cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Similarly, the next one, sin x cos y. Sin x cos y is equal to half of sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ವೈ ಎಸ್ ಸಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ವೈ ಈ ಥರ ನೋಡಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ sin x plus y minus sin x minus y, sin x minus y. Okay, very important. Okay, this is also very important. This is from product to sum or difference, product of trigonometric function to sum or difference, transformation. You can observe here. So here also same c. Okay, now in bartidilli c plus c is equal to 2cc ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಸಿ is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? c into c is equal to half c plus c. Here also second, by using second we can say s into s is equal to minus half. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is nothing but c minus c is equal to minus s ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ s is equal to minus half of c minus c, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So minus half of c minus c. Similarly here s into s ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ s into c sin and cos you have s into c is equal to half of s plus s. s into c is equal to half of s plus s. c into s is equal to half of s minus s. ಈ ಥರ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, now so this is very important rule. Okay, this is what product rule. Product in nimge product to sum or difference of trigonometric function. Okay, now okay, see, these formulas are very helpful when solving the problems of trigonometric function. Okay, now again we'll continue this. Okay, I'll consider that we have two angles x plus y and x minus y. Let me consider x plus y as capital letter A, x minus y as capital letter B. Then by adding them, what will get 2x is equal to a plus b, or x is equal to a plus b by 2. Similarly, by subtracting them, we will get x plus y is equal to a, x minus y is equal to b. By subtracting them, we will get here x and x get cancels. When subtracting, sign changes. Okay, so this get cancels. Y plus y, 2y is equal to a minus b, or y is equal to a minus b by 2. A minus b by 2. Okay, now replace here the formula cos x. X means what? Okay, see. Cos x into cos y is equal to half of cos x plus y into plus cos x minus y, right? Okay, now the previous formula by using, we know that replace the previous, that is sum or difference to product. That first one you had cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to 2 cos x into cos y. This can be written as, by using this, okay, first formula ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ cos a plus cos b. Okay, a means what here? X plus y. B means x minus y. Cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Okay, so using first we got this result. Very important. Okay, this is very important. Similarly, using second one, what we have? Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to minus 2 sin x into sin y you had. Okay, so here also replace x plus y as a and x minus y as b. So cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 into sin. X means what? A plus b by 2. A plus b by 2 into b means y means a minus b by 2. Okay, so this is the second formula you got. Third one, using next result, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, okay, is equal to 2 sin x into cos y, okay. So here again replace x plus y as a, so we will get sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 into sin x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a plus b by 2 and cos y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a minus b by 2, a minus b by 2, okay. And the last one, okay, fourth you had, that is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to 2 cos x into sin y, okay. Here again replace x plus y as a, x minus y as b, then we'll get sin a minus sin b, sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 times cos x and a plus b by 2 and y means a minus, sorry, sin y, okay, sin y means a minus b by 2, okay. So here 4 important formulas you got, okay, very important. Cos a plus cos b, again same here, c plus c is equal to 2cc. Cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Second one, cos a minus cos b, c minus c is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2, minus 2 ss. Similarly, next one, sin a plus sin b, s plus a, s plus s is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, 2 cs, sorry, 2 sc, 2 sc, okay. The last one, sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2, s minus s is equal to 2 cs. So again same result you got, very important result this one, okay. To solve the problems related the sum or difference or transformation, okay, sum or difference to product or product into sum or difference, we can use this formula, okay. In the next class we are going to solve the excess related questions of the same concept.